I'm Ellie.
And I'm Haley.
And welcome back to Sisters02.
Fine, oh, you turn out fine, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down, hey, I know it's hard to remember sometimes, but you gotta keep your head up, oh, and you can let your head down.
Today,
we are joined by
A and C.
I'm Ava.
And I'm Carolina.
Yeah, they're our cousins and they're going to be on our channel a lot. So, and then we'll just explain what we're doing together. So,
okay. We're going to be testing slime kits.
Yes. So we got this one, which is the Green Garcia, sorry. And then
we got slimy goo.
I don't know.
I'm going to sit like this because like,
I got it because
I'm scared about this one because...
How about we do this one first? Because it's the one that we know really well.
This one has like...
It's like unbox this.
Stuff.
It's got stuff.
Okay, so do you guys want to open this one first and we can do this one?
Yeah. Give to keep the slime.
Yeah, yours can keep the slimes.
Yeah.
Balls, please!
I need the bowls. Okay.
Give us balls!
You guys can make one while we make one.
Yeah.
And we'll see how they turn out. So let's do the instructions. So if you guys want to make, there's opaque slime. Make it colorful, make it bubbles. Translucent slime. Yeah, this is different. Okay.
Got it.
So this is really
wait,
cool.
this looks like, wait, this is clear. It looks clear. Huh? It says white glue, but it's like clear.
Okay. So the first slime
I'm going to make, squash with activated.
So what slime are you guys gonna make? I'm going to make a
I'm going to make a clear slime with blue glitter.
I'm gonna use a jewel slime.
I'm gonna use pink glitter.
Oh, okay. But do with these.
And apparently it's white. You can make colored slime.
Oh, and you can have the straw. You can make like it.
Don't add all of it.
I guess.
Oh wait,
what?
There's only like 4 slimes to make, so yeah. Oh, that's where the white is. It's right there.
Wait, can I use it? I need to use more.
Okay, but you can use the jewels because this is a white.
Ellie, I need some.
Okay, 1 second.
Hurry, Ellie, don't use it all. I need some.
I'm just using it.
Don't use scissors. Don't use.
So I'm gonna put a color tablet in mine right now.
Can I help opening, or can we get like scissors?
Yeah.
Did you open mine?
Can someone go knock on the window? And
I'll do it.
Okay.
I got you guys.
I would, but
your girls got you. Love you.
Okay, can I use it? We've gotten scissors. I need to use that.
So I'm using the jewels, the different color of jewels, and she's using blue glitter, she's using pink glitter, and she's using color tablets. Okay, so
wow, this is so, that's actually really pretty. Okay, so I added in the blue glitter.
Here's my slime so far. It's pretty blue.
And then I'm gonna, because I don't want to.
My slime just is clear and has jewels in it.
YouTube's queen of slime.
Either yay or nay. So you guys are gonna vote yay or nay for each slime. Can I have the activator, please? Mine's actually starting to come along pretty well. Same. But I think I can go in with my hands. Okay, this is actually.
I'm not.
Yeah, I'm probably almost gonna go in with my hands, but like
Oh, the only video I've ever watched of hers said that you shouldn't mix clear glue too fast, and that's legit what I'm doing. So.
Oh.
I watch like
I don't listen to
videos.
her videos.
This is actually really good. It's a little bit. Mine's turning into slime.
May I use the activator?
Guys, look at mine.
Yeah.
Look at mine. Yeah, I need more, guys. Ava. Mine's actually starting to come along. I'm having.
I just spelled it. Okay, here you
really
go.
well.
Mine's slime already.
Well, actually, mine's coming along. It's pretty. It's not
It's
there
actually-
yet, but
Oh.
it's coming.
I'm just over here
Yep.
saying that mine's perfect. See?
Yours is really good, Ava. Carolina's is like the
So,
only one that
this
doesn't
is-
have any.
This is a little bit.
Because she puts
stiff.
too
Well,
less of activator.
I probably too soon.
I'm kind of scared about that one because like there's too much.
Like,
Like,
it
the
feel-
more there is, the more it's
Is
gonna
it-
break. You know.
It feels. Okay, guys, is it a yay or nay, Ellie?
Mine?
Yeah.
I'm gonna say yay.
I'm gonna say yay.
Look at it. It's pretty
Yay.
good.
Ava?
Mine is a yay.
Okay, pour some in my
yay.
hand. This is definitely a yay. This was not Ava, a fail, we pour some like in at my all. This was amazing. This
I
is
mean, I
actually
already
really
had
good slime.
I
Pour some on my
So
arm
this one-
because of Ava, you know?
It's actually really pretty. Here, if you can see it, it's like pink.
Mine is so.
And then this is mine, right here.
Yours is really.
It's like you guys can't really
They're
see
all
it, but
really
it's actually okay. Now you can see it a little bit better. It's really sparkly.
I can't go in.
Can't see it too well, but it's really sparkly.
Yeah, the doors. So here's the.
I'm gonna need to wash off my arm. Whoa.
Here's mine.
Can I use a straw?
Here's mine, guys.
Yeah.
So.
Where's the straw?
Looks good. It's a little grippy, but it's cute. So.
Wait, I'm gonna try.
I think they gave it to us so that you could use it to
Mix. That's scary.
or to do the bubble thing. I think that's it.
Yeah, the straw for bubbling.
So, next we are gonna try this. We moved to the shade because we're dying. I don't know how hot it is out here, but
It's like 90 degrees.
it's like 90 degrees.
Ew,
So
I have slime.
we have this like slimy goop kit. It's pretty cool.
Okay.
It's so hot, but I think I'll cool off.
Do you guys think this is gonna be a yay or a nay?
Nay. There's barely
Nay.
any glue. That's a
I
problem.
think-
Look at that. That does
I
not
think
look like.
maybe a
That
nay.
looks a little too watery for my opinion.
Well, but we'll see. Okay, and no one can open the window now. Oh,
We're
and
not
she
gonna
might
follow
try to point
the
finger.
instructions.
There's
guys.
like no glue.
Ava, that scared me too.
Oh my gosh. We
we're
each
gonna
get
have
like
a
half
little-
of a glue bottle, a tiny glue
Ellie,
bottle.
me and Haley will share a glue bottle. You
Okay.
and Ava.
Mm-hmm.
Give it to
I
me.
need to open this one. second. Oh,
That's
beads
better.
are falling off.
Sisters aren't working together. That's better. Because we all fight.
Fine.
Oh, here's activator, guys. We might need water
Oh,
for
there's
this.
actually a lot.
There's
We
a water
do.
thing over there. A water thingy.
I call some glitter. What glitter do I want?
I want glitter.
Just grabs all the glitter. Hey, yellow. What are you gonna make? Wait, do you know what? I'm gonna use yellow and then sequins, like this. You wanna use the sequins?
I'm gonna add my glitter now.
Oh!
Sorry.
Sorry.
It's gonna be fully slime.
Wait, is this scents? No, these are scents.
Yeah, these are
Oh,
dyes.
these are dyes. Oh, that was disappointing.
Can I have, Ellie, can I have dye? Maybe?
Red?
What?
I'm just gonna make a
What
yellow.
is these?
Well, I'm gonna add,
I think
actually
these
add
are the
dye
things
first.
you have to put the, I don't
There we
know.
go.
The tubes. Okay, so this is for
Did
activating.
it come with you know,
Okay, this is the,
instructions?
yeah,
We're not following them. Guys, we could take the tubes and put our activator in there. It's not really coming off.
yeah, or we could use this little thingy my bobber.
I feel like the tubes would be better because then
What?
each partner has a tube.
It's a wasp. It's okay. Just don't move.
Where?
See, it's going in that thingy.
Is it? It is.
Yeah.
It's in there.
Oh, are you
scream.
making, oh, Carolina's making her.
Did you guys hear my scream? I mean, I think China heard that.
I do too.
I'm gonna have to like fast forward a lot of this unless like funny things happen.
it?
For a
Ava's.
knowing nay.
What's wrong with Ava's? Show the camera.
Wait, can I see if it works?
It's
Guys,
like
look at Ava's.
Wait,
all
is it activating?
chunky and, like,
It's chunky, but it's
earring.
activating. Oh, mine's
Gotta
activating.
get both cameras,
Mine's
guys.
activating. I need to go
You
out
have
of
to
water.
multitask.
I'll be right back. Ugh.
Oh my god.
You stole the activator.
I did? No, I didn't.
Oh, who stole my activator?
What activator? Haley, where are you going?
Pour some activator on my hands.
I'm getting water.
What the heck is wrong?
Ew.
What?
Ew. It's chunky.
Oh,
It's
yeah.
chunkly. Look, it's
Chunkly.
chunky. It's chunkly.
Okay,
Look
I
at that.
think this
Ew.
is gonna be
Ew.
trash.
Ew.
I think I overactivated it. This
I
is
did.
This is
so
sticky.
gross.
Ew, what's wrong with mine?
Yeah, mine's sticky but overactivated.
Yeah, that's what mine did.
You know, my hands are gross, but do we really care?
No, not on
I
these
still had
channels.
kind of a
Don't
lot of
care.
water, but hopefully this helps.
When
I
do
just
you have
poured
these
it.
things?
I'm
I'm just gonna go show the camera this because all of ours looks like this. So.
All of
I'm not
these
gonna
are
be able to.
look exactly like this, but different colors.
so far.
Mine's
an A.
worse
than your guys.
I'm gonna show you guys mine. It's a
Mine's-
Ellie, it's like a ball catch.
Mine is
No.
even
No,
slime.
it's literally super hard.
Oh, it broke. It's so hard that it broke.
I overactivated mine so much that.
Ew, look at this.
I don't
Actually,
know
wait,
what
the more I play with it, the better it's getting.
Ellie, do you not see mine? It's not even slime.
No, never mind. Take
not-
that
Ava,
back.
look, it's not even slime. Mine's not even
I'm gonna go
slime.
grab my phone. I'll be right back.
Ew, it's making
Okay.
Guys, guess what just happened?
What?
That's so like,
Wait, you did?
yeah, it was very small. It didn't hurt.
Was it a sweat bee? Like one of those really
I
tiny
don't know,
ones?
but look.
Wait, go tell
I
me.
had to pull this thing out.
Wait,
Can I
did you tell
see?
someone?
Yeah, I took it.
What'd they say?
They said that if I wanted, they could. If it hurt really bad, they could give me ibuprofen.
Is your mom still there?
Yes.
Okay.
And that we could put the baking soda on it.
Still here?
Yes.
Ava, I
feel
kind
like
of turned
Ava-
it into something. Did you see how it was before?
What did you ask?
I told her to leave.
Ava,
what did
did
you
you see
say?
how it was before?
What did you guys think?
It could be fixed.
I should name this title Trying Out Slime Kits. Ava gets stung by bee.
Yeah, because that's literally what
That's
happened.
literally what
Guys,
happened.
I got stung by a bee.
No clickbait.
Not
literally.
clickbait, literally, she just got stung by you. Oh, whoa.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, I'm gonna go use this ball and get this thing. Wait, what am I supposed to do with this? Song?
There was literally a wasp in there. Like, I'm scared.
Yeah, I'm allergic to them.
Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. My phone turned off because of the temperature.
Yeah, that's what happened to me. It gets when it
Phone
gets
turned off
hot.
'cause
It
of the-
says it gets
Look, guys,
really hot.
it's too
and it
hot, my
says-
phone.
Oh yeah, that's what happened to mine.
Thank you guys so much for watching.
Make sure to like and subscribe.
And we'll see you guys next time.
Bye, loves.